You are invited to enroll in Healthier SG using HealthHub.
Auntie Sandy, why are you frowning?
I just received an SMS asking me to enroll into Healthier SG using HealthHub, but I'm not good in using all these apps.
Don't worry, I can help you with it. Did you forget I'm a patient service associate with SingHealth Polyclinics? You can enroll into Healthier SG at the comfort of your own home. But before you enroll, it's important for you to know the benefits of enrolling into the Healthier SG. You can create a personalized health plan with your doctor. As a Singaporean, you can also receive subsidized recommended health screening and vaccinations. You can also get $20 worth of health points after your first health plan consultation.
Whoa, come on, teach me how to enroll now.
First, search for the HealthHub app from the App Store and download it. Click on Enter Healthier SG and select your profile. Tap on Enroll in Healthier SG and select your preferred clinic. For this, you should select a clinic you visit regularly for your health appointments.
I used to go to Tampines Polyclinic, but now that Tampines North Polyclinic is open, I will choose Tampines North since it is nearer to my home.
Next, click on Confirm Enrollment. Then, select your preferred date and time for a Healthier SG consultation to do your health plan. Your first HSG appointment is successfully created.